To get the most out of your Aire 360, we recommend utilizing cleaning mode at least once a month. So to do this, you're going to take the little cap that covers this air vent, turn it to the left to loosen it, and take it off. There's your air intake. If there's any grime or buildup, you can use a cloth to just brush that away. Now, you want to ensure that your tool is plugged in. You're going to turn the tool off and on quickly. And then while the tool is off, you're going to press and hold the heat and speed buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds. The tool will automatically engage in cleaning mode for about 10 seconds and then turn off. You'll know that it's working because the air will be sucking in from here and pushing out here. So let's do that together. There you go. Now your tool is ready. You can go ahead and replace the air intake cap. To do that, you just turn it to the right to screw it into place, and you are ready to start styling.